Hello friends, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I am going to cover the definition of chromatography and its classification based on techniques used, as well as some terminology relating to the chromatography. What is chromatography? The term chromatography is derived from Greek words and is made up of two words, chroma and graphene. Chroma means color and graphene means to write. So the literal meaning of chromatography is to write with colors. Do you know how it got its name as chromatography? Let's go back to history about chromatography. Chromatography was first developed by the Russian botanist Mikhail Svet in 1903. He produced a colorful separation of plant pigments is known as chlorophyll. So this way, this process is known as chromatography. Although color no longer plays a role in this process, but the same principles of chromatography is still used and applied for the separation and identification of compound. Chromatography is an analytical technique commonly used for separating a mixture of chemical substances into its individual components so that each component or each element can be thoroughly analyzed. The basic principle for this process can be briefed as: first, the sample mixture is dissolved in a fluid that may be gas, solvent or water. It is called mobile phase, which carries it through a system. The system may be column or a capillary tube, which is fixed on a material called the stationary phase. The stationary phase is porous solid that may be glass, paper, silica gel or alumina. Classification of chromatography. On the basis of techniques or on the basis of interaction of solute to the stationary phase, it can be classified into four categories. First one is adsorption chromatography, second one is partition chromatography, and third one is ion exchange chromatography, and fourth one is size exclusion chromatography. First, let's see what is adsorption chromatography. Before defining adsorption chromatography, let's see what is adsorption. Adsorption is the process of addition of molecules of liquid or gases onto the surface of a solid particle. Please don't confuse between adsorption and absorption, as both has different process and techniques. Example of adsorption. You might have seen the packet of silica gel inside new shoebox, which is put there as adsorbent to adsorb moisture around. Whereas example of absorption, when you put some resins into water, it's soaked water and gets swelled. Definition. Adsorption chromatography is one of the oldest types of chromatography. It is utilized a liquid or gas as mobile phase that is adsorbed onto surface of a stationary solid phase. Types of adsorption chromatography. There are three main types of adsorption chromatography, and these are column chromatography, second thin layer chromatography, third is gas solid chromatography. Next one is partition chromatography. Partition chromatography is based on the partitioning of component of a mixture between stationary and mobile phases. Is called partition chromatography. It has various types such as paper chromatography, gas liquid chromatography and liquid chromatography. Next one is ion exchange chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography is a process that allows the separation of ions and polar molecules based on their affinity to the ion exchanger. It can be used for almost any kind of charged molecules, including large proteins, small nucleotides, and amino acids. Example of ion exchange chromatography is cation exchange chromatography, and second one is anion exchange chromatography. Chromatography. The size exclusion chromatography is a chromatographic method in which molecules in a solution are separated by their size and in some cases molecular weight. It is usually applied to large molecules or macromolecular complex such as proteins and industrial polymers. Example of this chromatography is gel permeation chromatography and ion exclusion chromatography. A few very important terminology used in chromatography. First one is analyte. Analyte is the substance to be separated during chromatography. And next, chromatogram. Chromatogram is visible record, show the result of separating the component of mixture by chromatography. And next one is a chromatograph. Chromatograph is an apparatus or instrument to perform chromatography. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.